They would have made a mess in there.
Hook.
Is it all the mesh underneath almost collapsed?
Yeah.
Oh, if I was probably a couple of minutes late,
Yeah.
would have killed all the chickens.
Yeah.
Hey, Hook. Hector. Meron tayo pang
Yeah, they would have made a mess in there.
Hook.
Is it all the mesh underneath almost collapsed?
Yeah.
Oh, if I was probably a couple of minutes late,
Yeah.
would have killed all the chickens.
Yeah.
Hey, Hook. Hector. Meron tayo pang TikTok.
TikTok. You're putting on TikTok? Yeah, they would have made a mess in there.
Hook.
Is it all the mesh underneath almost collapsed?
Yeah.
Oh, if I was probably a couple of minutes late,
Yeah.
would have killed all the chickens.
Yeah.
Hey, Hook. Hector. Meron tayo pang TikTok.
TikTok. You're putting on TikTok?
Ayan na.
Dun yan, dun! Yeah, they said, see how they say, there's a English Mastiff, there's American Mastiff,
French
this one's a
Mastiff.
Filipino Mastiff.
The one, look
What
at
do you
this
mean?
one.
They never have Filipino, I speak Tagalog, you understand?
Filipino Mastiff.
Yan, hawk yan eh. Kasi
Hook is nice. Just sit down next to you.
Pag may umupo, alam mo na.
hawk na yun eh.